Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla with the last World Hoop Day combination. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stepping back with the right, 1, 2, stepping forward with the right, 3, 4, back with the right, 5, 6, and then forward with the right, 7, 8. Then we're going to turn the hoop, bring the right leg in, point to toe, 1, 2, up with the left, 3, 4, with the right, 5, 6, with the left, 7, 8. And then you're going to bring the hoop down, step out of the hoop, bring the hoop down, 1, 2, bring it up to the left, 3, 4, bring it back down to the right, 5, 6, bring it back up to the left, 7, 8. Then we're going to bring it down to center in a final ghosting isolation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, while looking down. That's the end of the World Hoop Day combination. So back again, 1, 2, step back with the right, step forward, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to step through 1, 2, 3, 4 with the left, right 5, 6, left 7, 8, down to the right, 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right, 7, 8, and then bring it all the way down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Rock on, peace out. Enjoy the wolves howling. All right, bye.